very sharp.
Daddy, your shoes.
So you just pull it. We used to have one about like almost 5 feet big. We had to take a lot of our
Whoa. So shiny. Look at the design.
I'm not. Get what you want. Yeah. It gets boring.
Learn how to make this, because this is
So it's like a family recipe. So the first location was opened in Berkeley, California.
okay.
And this is like one of our first. There's like almost 6 of them
Yeah,
here, but it's all been passed down.
that's awesome. Because the food was amazing. Like,
Thank you. Yeah, I noticed the difference between here and other places. The spices we use are completely different.
well, that's exactly what I was telling my wife. I'm like it's like there's certain places that overuse the curry, or you know what I mean? Like,
It's
there's like-
oily.
Right.
They use curry powder. We don't use any of that. We use specific spices to get there. Because most people just use ones that are already mixed in. We mix so many different spices. That's why
God.
it's so different. Because I've tried any food at other restaurants here.
Right.
I can't, especially the vegetable entrees. It's oily. Flavor isn't there.
Right.
Especially after eating here, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not just saying it because I work here.
Right.
It's really good. Especially the momos. Those are our traditional dish from Nepal. I'll definitely try those. Probably the best I've ever tried, even in Nepal. They're so amazing here.
Huh.
Yeah. Other than that, you guys had the tikka masala and the korma, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, yeah.
You guys want to try any of our desserts?
Oh my gosh, we're beyond stuff. Like when the bowls first came out, I'm like, oh. But now I'm like,